Hey everyone, today I thought I'd do something a little bit different. I'm actually going to my friend Ishan Zele's house for a cubing meetup tomorrow, so I thought I'd just make a vlog out of it. So it's currently 11:39 p.m. and I'm just waiting on a video to finish uploading. Hopefully by the time this video is out, that video is already out. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, I'm pretty excited because I'm gonna be able to test my GoPro for vlogging tomorrow. I'm not actually using it right now. This is just my phone. My GoPro's packed up as of now. However, hopefully tomorrow will be fun, and yep, I think I'm gonna head to bed after this. Alright, my bag is completely packed up, filled with cubes as well as my GoPro in this case. And yep, I'm all ready for tomorrow. See you guys then. I'm at Shubham's house right now, and this guy is pretty cool, but he won't stop barking. Hi Shubham.
Is this selfie cam?
No, it's...
Oh, I can see myself.
Yes.
Let's go.
Yeah. Okay, so we are currently in the taxi car journey. Anything
Hello.
you'd like to say?
Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.
Okay,
Link in the description.
Yes. Okay, anyway, see you all there. Looks
Reverse
like
taxi.
somebody is learning V-pumps from me. Interesting. Hi Shubham.
So it's reverse sexy, R prime, F prime, U prime, and ISO, FR. Okay.
Good job.
Nice. Hello.
Hi, so we are in the campus where Ishan lives, and yeah, it's surrounded by greenery. Pretty cool
Take a
place.
look around.
Yeah. Yeah, anyways, see you when we meet Ishan. Yeah, there he is wearing all black. Hi Ishan.
Wait, I have music playing.
Yeah, just don't get me copyrighted. Yes.
Oh, I can see myself now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anything you'd like to
Both
say
ways.
to the vlog?
Well, no. Excited to see all of you guys. I don't know. When was the last time I was in your video?
I
something
don't
in your
know.
hair.
We'll go before the second wave.
Yeah, okay. We'll see you once you get home.
Yeah.
Make a transition. Flip.
Okay. Here we are at Ishan's very cool room. Here are some personal photos that I probably shouldn't be showing. Here's Ishan, and this is his setup. Last time
Check this out.
Okay.
Oh no, don't.
And
Yeah.
this is.
You can like blur something.
And
Oh,
This too. Probably can't
and
see it.
this, yeah.
Yeah.
Very cool
What else?
stuff, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay. What's your answer?
Here we have Shubham Marana doing some fast 2x2 solves with a Gen 3 timer.
Let me show you
That's a
how
good
it's
TPS. That does not
Is that
look
a
like a
plus
plus 2.
Okay,
It's
now
fine,
that-
I
that's
think.
my
Yeah,
turn.
It's
1.6
fine now.
Watch me get a faster time.
Watch this guy.
Oh. I don't know what to do. So much pressure.
Oh, that's F sexy F prime. Nice AUF, but you get a 3.17.
It's fine.
Not bad. So we are currently doing a 3x3 race. Ishan has beast souls. Can't even see it. Yeah, there. Beast souls so
Okay,
far.
let's not talk about that.
And are you ready?
Yes.
8 seconds. And that is an 8.10. Good time.
Damn, performing under pressure.
Okay, so I'm a part of this race too, and I'm going to be recording this entire average. Let's see what I get. Here we have Mr. Scrambler Shubham. Hello.
I'll judge too.
Alright, let's begin.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Sorry. Wait, that's not you. No, did I just start?
10.83. No,
it's
that's
actually
not
good.
good. So Shubham right here has found an interesting way to judge with the stack mat timer. Pay close attention. Let's see how he does it. Yeah, I'm ready.
You're doing
11.14.
better than me.
Yeah. $10.67. Yeah, I'm ready. Why did I do that, Reaper? Why? 11.54. Still a sub 12 average. Okay, can I get sub 11? Yeah, I'm ready. Probably not. What is this? Okay, this is bad.
It's not like a fold-up cross.
You're right about that.
What's the average?
What are you waiting?
What is it?
1329.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah.
1117 average. Not terrible. So here are Shubham's times so far, and Ishan got an 8.1 on this scramble and he's trying to beat it. For reference, he had a 10.27
27
average and I had an 11.1. So looks like he's gonna beat both of us. But yeah, are you ready?
Yep.
8 seconds, 12 seconds. Ishan wins this battle, 9.38. So Shubham needed an 11.4 to win and he got an 11.01. So let's enter and see his average, 10.14. Just
go.
about winning it.
Hi. So we finished lunch. We forgot to show you our lunch haul, but now we're doing 2x2. I think we did one round of 3x3. We did the first round of 3x3. He won with like a 10 average, then I won with an 8 average. Now he won with a 9.5.
Yeah, you did one round of 3x3 and...
No, that's the whole day ka thing. I forgot to update you guys. What else? Okay, now we're doing 2x2. Them two, or I might. I'll do it also.
Okay, let's do this. I'm going to be recording the souls. Let's see what I get. Yeah, I'm ready.
8. Ooh.
Yeah.
8.
Yeah, I'm ready.
8.
This is actually some good practice for Compsons.
Yes, bro.
Yeah, ready. Oh, yes. Sub 2 guaranteed. Yeah, I'm ready. This is so bad. What are you saying?
8.
Oh, overall a good average. Let's see what I got. 1.79 average. That is top 100 in the world and it's like NR4. NR4. Alright, so Ishan has also guaranteed sub 3 average on these scrambles.
I wouldn't say that, but let's see.
It is guaranteed sub 3. Let's
You
see.
Don't trust the statistics.
And his last solve. And he gets a 293.
Sub
That-
1.
Yeah, sub 1 average, 285. Good job.
Down.
And now it's time for this guy to solve. He beat me on the first solve because I did not cancel. It was a stupidly easy cancellation. Okay, here's your second solve. Are you ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
8 seconds, I think. Ooh,
Crap.
slightly lucky. 301. So he needs 103 or better to tie me for this solve. And looks like Ishan is going to be judging this solve.
Yep, I'm ready.
12.
And that is a 198. Is that a sub 2 average? Nope, it is 211. Are you happy with that?
Nope, I wanted
The
a
camera
sub
was more than.
After a lot of cubing, we have decided to go for a walk.
Oh, you're showing me. Oh, the lighting is good.
It's recording, by the way.
Okay. See you soon.
Pretty cool area. There are some birds there, as you guys can see. Yeah, Ishan overall lives in a very scenic and nice area.
And if you made it this far into the vlog, comment down below the pumpkin emoji along with your favorite video of Ram
Yes, which
and
was
your
the
favorite
video I have made.
competition from if you have been to a competition, virtual or online. But
Wow.
people who do virtual competitions, I'll judge you if that's your favorite. Anyway, we'll see you soon.
Yeah, enjoy.
So guys, I showed them this cool secluded area near Powai Lake. That's Powai Lake. Whoa, hold up. What is that there? Am I seeing this correctly? Is that a cube? Oh, SCS. If you want more cubes like this from SCS, use code RAM to get
some
10%.
great promotion here.
Yes, use it.
5% off your order as well as a shout out at the end of my latest video. Thank you. Solving a Rubik's Cube in a forest. Solving a Rubik's Cube in a forest. There you go.
Or we actually, let's move back.
Okay. Start solving. 3, 2, 1. Okay, yeah.
Sure. What is this?
What?
I got like 30
Oh, no.
cancellation.
You already beaten me and I feel mosquitoes around me. What am I doing? Yeah, sorry.
Okay, gang. I think they're leaving. I'm dropping them off.
Yes,
So
thank you for having
bye
us,
bye.
Ishan.
Yes, no problem.
Yep, that was good fun. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog as much as I am
Wait,
going
I
to
thought you were
enjoy
still
making
gonna-
it. Yeah, I'm continuing.
Okay, yeah. See you soon.
Welcome back to Mumbai traffic. Bye, Ishan. So that brings an end to this eventful day. What did you think of it?
The races were awesome. It was a lot of fun, and I hope Ram gets to record more
Yeah.
vlogs like this.
It was a great day overall. Let me know if you guys want more vlogs like these. Thank you. So yep, that brings an end to this pretty eventful day. I really enjoyed vlogging on this thing. However, I'm extremely tired now. So I think I'm just gonna go transfer this footage onto my laptop and then go take a bit of a rest. Hopefully you guys really enjoyed this video, and thanks a lot for watching. Goodbye.